Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are going to give you a brief demonstration about how to handle IFS order to cash flow. In this demonstration, we will be starting from creating of custom order to delivery and receipt of payment. We will be going through the full cycle from order creation to the cash receipt. First of all, I will create a new custom order. I will select my customer. Then I will save the header. Then I will be adding the order line. I will be adding a sales part. Then I will be adding the quantity of, let's say, 10. As you can see, the price has been fetched for the sales part, so I will be saving the record. Now you will see all together including tax. I have to receive 1250 USD after delivering this custom order. Still, the status is planned. I will copy this order number. I will navigate to quick order flow handling. Throughout this process, we will be using the quick order flow handling. In this process, we will not create any shipment for this customer order. We will just deliver this custom order as a normal custom order. Now you will see the order status has been changed from planned to released. After release, we can search again for the order number. Then we can print the customer order confirmation and send it to our customer confirming this order. Still, the status will be released. So if I go back again to my custom order, you will see status is released. And I will go back to quick order flow again. I will search the order number and I will reserve the parts. As you can see, I do have two options. I can do automatic reservations or reserve manually. For the time being, I will select automatic reservation. And if I go back to the custom order, you will see the header status has been changed from released to reserved both in the custom order header and line. Next step is move forward and create the pick list for picking. If you are not using the pick list, we can directly pick the items. But in our case, I will create a pick list. Now the pick list has been created and I can do the report picking. If I have multiple lines, I can go with the report picking by lines option and pick the individual lines. But if I want to do all the lines together, especially in this case, I am having only one customer order line and I will select report picking. If I go back again to the custom order window, you will see both customer order header and line is in the picked status now. I will navigate back again to the quick order flow and search for the customer order number. Now I will click on deliver. If I go back again to the custom order, you will see the header is in the delivered stage and line is also in the delivered stage. After the delivery, next step is to print the delivery note. Now I am creating the delivery note. From the report archive, we can print it and share to the customer. Then we can move forward and create the customer invoice. As you can see, I will be creating a customer invoice for this. This is a customer order specific customer invoice. If I go back now, you will see in the customer order header also in the invoiced closed status and line also in invoice closed status. From the customer order header, I will be able to navigate to the invoice info, and this is my customer invoice. Still, it is in the preliminary stage. At this stage, if there is any correction needed, we can cancel it from here. But if not, we can print the invoice. Once I have printed the invoice, this preliminary stage is changed. It will go to the posted authorized stage. At this stage, either I have to do a credit invoice or correction invoice in order to do the reversal of invoice. This is my invoice and I will quickly try to receive the payments for this invoice. I will quickly go to the customer check window. Now I am trying to receive the payments from the customer. I'm selecting my customer and I can type the respective check number in here. The invoice amount, which is 1,250 USD. You can type the customer bank identity and account number if it is not already set up at customer level. I'm just putting an arbitrary value here. I will click next. From here, I can match the invoices. This is the invoice I have created. So if you see, it is the same invoice number. These are the steps basically done by the finance team. This is just for you to get cross-functional understanding of total order to cash flow. Now I will click finish. Customer payment has been received now. If I go back to the customer invoice, posted authorized was the customer invoice status. Now it has been changed to paid posted. In today's lesson, we have covered from custom order creation to custom order delivery and receipt of payment. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would like to hear from you.